I'm a newly licensed attorney looking for a job. I graduated from law school in 2015, but had family problems after law school, so took a year off before taking the bar exam. Then I worked at whatever job I could to take the bills. I went to law school in Maryland as an out-of-state student, knowing I would be moving back to the state I'm from to practice law thereafter. I finally took the bar in the state I'm in and passed, but it also took a bit for me to get the funds to finally move back. Here's my question. On my resume, should I show all of the non-legal work experience I've had done since graduating from law school to avoid employment gaps in my resume, or should I only list my job and internship experience during law school that is relevant to the practice of law, even though I graduated 2 years ago? If it was me, I think I would have a section that says legal experience and the non-legal experience. What you told me just now in this question, I would explain in my cover letter, the reasons you're just starting now. And I think that would probably be the best method for covering that. I do think anytime there's a large gap in your resume from when you start and when you didn't, it's always a good idea to have an explanation. If the jobs really aren't that related, you may just want to take off all the non-legal experience. I don't know what it is exactly, but I would think about how you would do that. If you want to ask a follow-up, I would. But the problem is anytime you take time off of practice law before starting, there is a perception that maybe you're doing that because you don't want to practice law. That's what you want to avoid, is what I would recommend. Whatever you can do there would be helpful.